as you all know, as per the schedule, we have Shrikar who is here with us. His focus and the fact that he doesn't care about his achievements. All he wants to do is learn and write something which everybody can enjoy reading. And I think that is why he has achieved so much at this young age. So I just cannot wait to talk to Shrikar, because today, for a change, I am not on the hot seat as a mentor, but he is going to be on the hot seat. So let me get Shrikar on the stream. Hello, Shrikar. Welcome to the show, and also congratulations on winning the best story of the year, which is an incredible achievement, but also very well deserved.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great, Shrikar. So we were talking about the book Just Another Horrible Year, which is released very recently. I have, of course, been a part of the journey of this book. We all know how much you worked on it, how much you have wanted this to be out there for the readers. So how do you feel today, being here talking about your book in front of such a large audience at an event like this?
Well, I feel great and a little tense at the same time for some reason.
I can understand, but yes, don't worry. We are just going to have a nice chit chat here, and everybody is already kind of wishing you congratulations, and they have such wonderful things to say. So in fact, someone says that they love the videos you make as well, because we have shared a few videos on BTP made by you. So Shrikar, let us begin by knowing about what your book is about in brief, if you could just explain, and also why do you think the readers would enjoy it?
Sure, ma'am. My book is about false accusations. The book is about a middle schooler and the principal he loved the most. It all started when the principal left the school because of false accusations. The book is about this middle schooler and his friends who discovered a villainous plot around the principal. Well, buy the book. I won't reveal everything here.
Right. I think that is very succinct and very well put. So everybody, please do check out Shrikar's book. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. And it is apt for any age. Actually, my daughter, who is not even 7 yet, she read the whole book and she really enjoyed it. So the younger kids, older kids, in fact, even the adults, check out Just Another Horrible Year. It is available on Amazon and a lot of other platforms as well. We had also shared it earlier. So that's amazing, Shrikar. I think it's really an overwhelming feeling, I think, for you and also for me as a mentor, to see you succeed like this. Now, tell me something. What made you take the plunge of writing a full-fledged novel in spite of having a hectic schedule in school? Because we all know how kids these days are so busy with so much going on the school front or even otherwise.
Ma'am, it was my dream. I wanted to write a book for 2 years. I had thousands of ideas. So I just took one and decided to write during the summer vacation, so it wouldn't interfere with my academics. It wasn't academics. It wasn't that hectic, however.
True. I agree with you on that. And the best part is I have also seen this. So what Shrikar is saying, actually I have seen this, that how he has been very passionate about this. He was so clear, I think, from long that yes, I do want to become in fact, he knows now that yes, he wants to become an author. He wants to write so many books, and I'm sure he will. One day I will tell very proudly that, that best-selling author, he was my student once. Okay, so now Shrikar, tell me, what was the process of writing this story? Like, was it tough for you? And did you face challenges? And if yes, how did you overcome those challenges?
To put it hilariously, it was like delivering a baby. Thinking of the plot in the right way was, without deviating from it, is one part, and writing 10,000 words is the another part. And checking for its potential for publishing, editing, illustrations, book cover, and the interior design all together is a different part, which needed a lot of patience. Hilariously and coincidentally, it took 9 months. But overall, it was a wonderful experience to make my imagination and creativity come in a book.
I think that was I think it's a funny coincidence of 9 months, which is why I think it makes all the more sense to, call it like your baby. I think every book is definitely a baby because we create it with so much of love, difficulty, and finally the thrill it gives us when it is out is just unparalleled. So I completely, get that. Now tell me something, after the book was out, I'm sure you might have received reactions and appreciations. So I want to know some of the high moments or, some memorable immeasurable appreciations that you receive for just another horrible year?
The first high moment was when the book came in Amazon, and not a day after that, people praised me in school and they asked me for interviews. The next high moment was when I was in a school podcast. But most of all, the biggest high moment was being in this event with you, ma'am, because there's nothing better than releasing your first book with your mentor, ma'am.
So sweet. I think that's so sweet, Shrikar. And I want to tell the audience also that Shrikar is one person who never fails to bring my name in any of his achievements. Like, I feel so touched. Anything he achieves, the first thing he would do is either inform me, or if he has to give credit anywhere, he would name me. It's a joke also between his mom and me that we are also there. She would joke that we are your parents, we are also there. But I think, yeah, jokes apart, Shrikar, it is my honor to have a student like you. And as people are also, I would like to show some wonderful comments also for you. Sunita ma'am says that she's waiting for the day when she can have your autograph.
Oh, thank you a lot.
And she's also saying that such a lovely student-mentor relationship. I so love B2B for this. Yes, indeed. I think the relationship is what makes B2B unique. And I've always maintained this, that for me, this connection matters the most. And yes, that is something which B2B is so full of. In fact, right now, I think I could really cry if I was not in front of all of you. I'm just so overwhelmed with everything. Also, there is Seema who is saying that she's a super fan of yours. That's so sweet, Seema.
Thank you.
And Chandra says that's your magic as a teacher and mentor. Kudos, Anupama. Thank you so much, everyone. And Shrikar, my final question to you is, any message for children who love writing or who, like you, might be harboring the dream of becoming an author? Of course, you're still a child, I'm sure. You also have lots to learn, but at least based on whatever you have learned so far or experienced so far, any message you would like to give to the kids who are watching you right now?
I am way too young to give any advice. I'm still in the learning process. But to answer the question, never give up and don't look for appreciation. Do not do any work for appreciation. Even if anyone criticizes your work, continue doing it. Don't stop for anyone. Do it for your happiness.
Very well said. I think that is fabulous advice, Shrikar. Because, I think what happens is, as writers, we tend to doubt a lot. I think self-doubt is a very integral part of being a writer. I have also experienced it many times. So yes, we need to kind of, keep going. And I'm glad, Shrikar, you are also so dedicated towards your craft and towards writing. But we are not letting you go so easily now. There is a surprise for you. So I just want to let everybody know that Shrikar's book was edited by Shivani Adib, who is a very well-known editor, and she also writes. She's an author as well. A wonderful lady who is extremely talented. She's done work with I think so many books, and her work is really impressive. So if in fact any of you also want to get your child's book edited, she is the perfect person to do it. So she has a message for Shrikar right now during this live. She couldn't be present live for some reasons, but yes, she didn't want to miss the opportunity of sharing her thoughts. So I'll just play the audio that she had sent for us. So Shrikar, this is a surprise for you. Shivani ma'am's message.
Hi Anupama and Shrikar. I'm sorry I couldn't be with you live today, but I just had to send a few words about Shrikar and his book. Well, there are some manuscripts that are simply a joy to edit, and Shrikar's Just Another Horrible Year was one such. His writing is crisp and he has a knack for dialogue. And one of the major challenges in writing a novelette or a short story is character development, of making sure that all your main characters are unforgettable, of ensuring that each one has a distinct personality. And Shrikar has done a truly excellent job of fleshing out his story and of developing the characters within 10,000 words. Shrikar has a decided gift for writing and an impressive amount of commitment, interacting with this diligent and courteous child has been a real pleasure. Given Shrika's natural talent and dedication, he will definitely make a mark as he grows older and keeps honing his writing skills. Viewers, please pick up Shrika's book, Just Another Horrible Year, on Amazon. This is a gifted young writer who deserves all our encouragement. Shrika, you've done a commendable job with your first book. I wish you all the very best and great success in life. Keep reading, keep writing, and stay just the way you are. Bye-bye, everyone.
Mom, I'm like almost in tears. Thanks a lot
How
for the
sweet. So did you like the surprise? That's why I didn't reveal it to you. I wanted to see your reaction live.
Yes, ma'am. I can't really, it's always incomplete without thanking Shivani, ma'am, my editor, for making this book possible.
I completely agree, because I want to tell the people also that it's not that when the children write books we take it over. This is one, in fact I would like to take this opportunity to also share how we actually edit the work of children. So at Beyond the Box we are very particular about not leaving the editing completely to an adult, because we feel even kids should learn along the way that how are we editing, what is the approach to editing, how they can get better, what are the things, and so they are completely involved in the developmental editing process. In fact, Shrikar also was thoroughly, I think he was there from start to end, involved in the developmental editing, and that is what we aim for at BTB. In fact, even the write-ups which we publish on the website, unless there are like really minor changes, we actually involve the children, and that's why we say that Beyond the Box website is the only platform in India which has a dedicated space to publish the work of children and also give them informed guidance on how they could have made their write-up better, because that is something which makes it unique, involving children at every stage of delivering that final written piece. So it was the same in Shrikar's book, and he was very, very patient, very, very eager to be a part of that entire process. Shrikar, tell me something that when you were actually involved in the editing process, do you think it helped you also understand the process of writing better? Like, in the sense, did you also understand that, okay, see, these are the things where probably I can also, things which I can take care of in my next book? How was that experience like when you were working on the editing with Shivani?
I learned a lot from Shivani, ma'am. To be honest with you, ma'am, I learned how to hone my writing skills, such as how to emphasize dialogue and the right words to choose for it.
Right. Absolutely. So, audience, if you have any questions for Shrikar, you can post them, though I think we have grilled him enough already. So, Shrikar, did you enjoy this live interview? I think it is your first live interview for your book, so is it special for you?
Yes, ma'am. Really, ma'am. It's so special for me.
It is, and you're looking very handsome also today, I must say. So good to see you, in that professional attire. And I'm sure even your parents are very proud of you. I also want to take a moment and thank Shrikar's parents. I think whenever a child performs well, it is a combined effort of a lot of people. So it's not just the credit of the mentor, it is actually the team effort of a mentor, of the child, and of the parents. Because parents' involvement, I've seen that it matters so much in terms of, pushing the child towards the right direction, encouraging them, understanding them. And Shrikar's parents, especially Ramya, his mom, who I keep interacting with a lot, is truly, and I think as a mom I've learned so much from her. She's such a wonderful mom, always there behind Shrikar in support, doing whatever it takes to make him grow as a person. So kudos for Shrikar's parents as well. I think we cannot end this live without thanking them for their efforts, for being the parents who makes Shrikar shine, I think, right, Shrikar? I think they've truly played a great role in your journey. Yes. So, okay. So thank you so much, Shrikar, for being here with us today. It was great chatting with you.
Thank you, ma'am.